Okay, hear me out. What's 21 plus 41? 62. Take away the 6 from that, you got 2. What's 67 plus 2? 69, which was, 2 years ago. Going back to 67, what's 6 plus 7? 13. Now 13 is a bad number, not many people like it, it brings them bad luck. So switch it around, you have 31, which is in between 21 and 41, it's directly in the middle. So what's 31 plus 41? 72. Switch it around, you have 27. And then 27 plus 41 is 68. And 68 is in between 67 and 69. Therefore, I think 67 was supposed to happen. Yeah? 67 was supposed to happen.